Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Siti Aisyah. I am from 12 Science 6 class. Today, I will explain about narrative text along with examples. Cinderella. Once upon a time, there lived a girl named Cinderella. She lived with her stepmother and two stepsisters. The stepmother and her two daughters did not like Cinderella. They treated Cinderella very bad. Cinderella usually did the hardest work in the house, such as scrubbing the floor, cleaning the pot and pan, preparing the food for the family, and so on. One day, a ball was to be held by the royal family of the kingdom to find the prince's spouse. Cinderella wanted to go to the ball, but her stepmother asked her to stay at home and do the housework. Cinderella cried. Then there was a fairy godmother standing beside her. "Why are you crying, Cinderella?" the fairy godmother asked. "Because I want to go to the ball, but my stepmother insists me to stay at home. Besides this, I don't have any beautiful dress," said Cinderella. Then the fairy turned Cinderella's ugly dress become the most beautiful dress and with beautiful slippers. The fairy also turned a pumpkin into a parking coach, and the mice become 6 white horses. Cinderella finally could go to the ball, but she had to come back before midnight before the spell ended. And the ball and Cinderella amazed everybody there, including the prince. The prince asked her to dance. Cinderella had a wonderful time at the ball. But all of a sudden, they heard the sound of a clock, the first stroke of midnight. Remember what the fairy had said? Cinderella ran back to go home, but she lost one of her slippers in ballroom. The prince picked up her slipper and was searched for the girl was foot-fitted with the slippers. A few days later, the prince proclaimed that he would marry the girl was fitted the slipper. Her stepsisters tried on slipper, but it was too small for them. No matter how hard they squeezed their toes into it. In the end, the king's soldier let Cinderella try on the slipper. They stuck out her foot, and the peg slipped on. It fitted perfectly. Finally, she was driven to the palace. The prince was overjoyed to see her again. They were married and lived happily ever after. The example of the Cinderella text is including narrative text because it has a story with a series of connected chronological events. Its social function is to entertain readers about Cinderella's story. The generic structure of this story is orientation. Once upon a time, there lived a girl named Cinderella. Complication: Cinderella wanted to go to the ball, but her stepmother asked her to stay at home and do the housework. Resolution: in the end, the king's soldier let Cinderella try on the slipper. They stuck out her foot, and the peg slipped the slipper on. It fitted perfectly. The language features of this story are using action verb in the form of past tense, such as live, treat, did not, and so on. Using certain nouns as personal pronouns, such as the prince. Using adjective that form noun pairs, such as the most beautiful dress. Using conjunction to order events, such as then a few days later, finally, and so on. Using adverbs and adverbial pairs to indicate the location of event or events such as happy ever after. Number 1. What is the title of the text? A. Cinderella, B. Roro Jongrang, C. Princess. The correct answer is A. Cinderella, as explained in the first paragraph, that is, once upon a time there lived a girl named Cinderella. Number 2. Cinderella lived with her A. Her mother, B. Her sisters, C. Two stepsister and stepmother. The correct answer is C. Two stepsister and stepmother, as explained in the first paragraph, that is, the stepmother and her two daughters did not like Cinderella. Number 3. Who changed Cinderella? A. Her stepmother, B. Her stepsister, C. Her pixie. The correct answer is C. Her pixie. As explained in the third paragraph, that is, then the fairy turned Cinderella's ugly dress become the most beautiful dress and with beautiful slippers. Number 4. Why the prince asked Cinderella to be his wife? A. Because she can fit glasses, B. Because she is cool, C. Because Cinderella is friendly woman. The correct answer is A. Because she can fit glasses, as explained in the text 5 paragraph, that is, in the end the king's soldier let Cinderella try on the slipper. She stuck out her foot and the peg slipped on. It fitted perfectly. Number 5. What does the purpose of the text? To entertain readers about Cinderella's story. Thanks for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.